Madison, thank you very much. Well, for more than 3 years, the coronavirus pandemic impacted nearly every aspect of our lives. Our living rooms became classrooms, offices became gyms, and really so much more.
Yeah, we did these shows from home for weeks as we adopted the new normal. I'll never forget when our managers called me and said, "You're staying home."
Yep.
How do you do this? Well,
Yep.
we all figured it out. We made it work. Now, as the pandemic pushed hospitals to the brink, masking and social distancing became the new norm.
Millions lost loved ones during the pandemic, but today marks the official end of the public health emergency. And we've covered this story from the start. And this morning, our KaMaria Braye is live outside of Sentara Norfolk General Hospital with all the details. KaMaria.
Katie and Aisha, when we hear that that public health emergency ends today, many people may be wondering, well, what does this mean? Because we know that COVID-19 is still active. Well, according to the federal government, this means that there's an end to certain Medicare and Medicaid waivers and flexibilities with healthcare providers. The government says those benefits were necessary to expand facility capacity for the healthcare system. But since cases are lower, the government says excess capacity is no longer needed. The change also means coverage for COVID-19 testing will shift. For example, people with Medicare Advantage plans can get a test covered by Medicare, but their out-of-pocket cost may change. But the government says it's keeping a stockpile of tests to be used at no cost at certain community locations. And the way the government tracks COVID with the CDC will also change. And this past week, one person in Virginia has died from COVID, with more than 1,000 others testing positive.
Pandemic was an unprecedented and harrowing experience that really was a significant challenge to hospitals that really continues to this day.
Well, the government says that access to COVID-19 treatments and vaccines will not change after today. Live in Norfolk, KaMaria Braye, 10 on your side.